link and same to same link and just click it and just download process start and wait guys, just download start and click. And guys, my internet is very slowly and no internet is provide this fast wireless SIM network and used mobile network and slowly downloading. Wait guys, don't worry, download is process this 10 to 5 second wait and download this process times. Guys, first of all, download is late. Friends, don't skip this video. This video is helpful and your problem, your interface and solutions. This channel and any problems, any questions, go to the comment below and your problems shares and guys, first of all, I am first time English speaking. Any English speaking mistakes and problems, friends, I am very sorry. And starting time English speaking time, guys, download process is the last time and look guys, 51.70 MBs and guys, download is complete and just is download process is complete and tag is close. Guys, folder is and desktop all closed and go to the desktop and network already my disconnected, just disconnect and you are go to your PC and disconnect internet. My internet is disconnect and go to the download folders. Guys, my download folder is just open and guys, a screen recorder and just right click, sorry, delete and just right click and extract file. Guys, go to the description link and password is very simple and just copy and just paste. Very simple step, just okay. And extract file is complete and just close, minimize and just open and setup file. Guys, run add administrator, just run add administrator, just open. Friends, installation process is the start and loading time, just default language is English default and just okay and license agreement and just next and file location and permission, just yes and just next. And guys, installation process is the 5 to 10 second wait and extract your folders and C drives. Guys, final step is the installation process and finish time. Wait friends and just guys, loading time is processing finish and software is loading this extract file and C drive and contact and searchable. Wait guys, 3 to 5 seconds wait and just next and off and just finish. Not open a screen recorder, just next. And guys, go to the your PC and just restart now. My restart is already, and just system you will select, and 64-bit, and just copy your exe file, copy, and just minimum close. And guys, screen record install and go to the location folders, just okay. And guys, same exe file and just rename any keywords, any tab, just apk sorry guys, key, and just enter. And guys, copy this file, just paste. And guys, this software is activated, and your laptop using this software, and check your softwares, and just open, and choose your screen, select. Guys, this screen recording loading time. Guys, just full screen customize, full screen. Guys, this video is your perfectly working your PC, and okay. And guys, this software is perfectly working and your system, and okay. Bye bye friends. Any